back. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. Just been busy or just going and forget to grab the camera and go. I still got some videos to upload, probably somewhere on here. I haven't really looked, but I figured I'd take time to show you this one. We're just doing a basic cleanup and bring her back around. It's been a while since it's been done, he said. 59 Rambler. Has a, he's the third owner. It's got 30,000 miles on it. Got documentation to prove it, I guess. So, pretty cool car. Everything's pretty much original on it. Wants a cleanup. They never been cleaned up since he's on it. Let's see what I can do. Polish chrome up. Give her a big cleanup, see what happens. But pretty neat old car. Got a straight 6 in it, 3-speed on the column. Basic car. It's supposed to be a camping edition. Guess it's got screens you can put in the back window. Sleep in your car, I guess, back in the day. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video. Maybe I'll remember to take a video when I'm done. Get busy with other cars and forget. Alright, catch you guys later.